DEWALT 12V and 20V max Bluetooth radio review. Tough, loud, and cordless. Ever felt like your workday soundtrack fades the moment you step onto the job site? A weak, tangled speaker can ruin focus and morale. Drop a comment if this resonates. The DEWALT DCR028B is here to shake up that frustration, keeping tunes pumping and tools charged, all while surviving the toughest work environments. Let's explore how it keeps your day moving. Long hours, noisy tools, and constant setup chaos can drain energy and motivation. Imagine having a powerful, portable sound system that withstands bumps, dust, and rain while keeping your devices charged. No more juggling cords or worrying about dead batteries. This radio brings control, convenience, and rhythm to the most demanding projects, without adding bulk to your kit. The DEWALT DCR028B is more than a radio. It's a rugged, job-site-ready powerhouse designed to integrate seamlessly with DEWALT's 12V and 20V max batteries. Dual 3.5-inch subwoofers and 1-inch tweeters deliver crisp stereo sound with enhanced bass that cuts through ambient noise. Bluetooth streaming extends up to 100 feet, so your phone can stay tucked safely away. For variety, AM/FM radio with 6 presets keeps your favorite stations on hand, while a USB charging port powers devices on the go. The heavy-duty roll cage with antenna slot ensures it survives drops and rough handling, and the integrated 120V AC and 12V DC outlets add extra utility for tools or devices. One construction foreman shared, "We can blast music and charge phones all day on a single battery." Versatility shines when you realize it also works directly via AC power, making it ideal for both cordless mobility and stationary setups. Keep reading for a pro tip on extending battery life without sacrificing volume or clarity. This radio proves why professionals swear by DEWALT accessories. Experts emphasize its dual appeal, durable construction, and impressive audio quality. A construction tools specialist remarked, "Its versatility and sound quality rival consumer-grade speakers, but it's built to survive a full shift on-site." DIY influencers echo this, praising seamless Bluetooth connectivity and long-range streaming that keeps music flowing from pocket to truck bed. Industry analysts note the strategic advantage. By integrating with the DEWALT battery ecosystem, it enhances tool loyalty while solving real job site needs. Users consistently report life-changing convenience. Landscapers love dropping a spare battery in to keep tunes going through long, noisy days, while foremen rely on it to run a charger and entertain crews simultaneously. The rugged roll cage protects against bumps and dust, while bass reflex ports enrich low frequencies for a full, immersive sound. Whether you're streaming, using AM/FM, or charging devices, this radio keeps projects energized. Which feature would boost your productivity or morale most? Bluetooth streaming, rugged durability, or battery-powered versatility? Comment below. The combination of expert praise, real-world reliability, and sheer power explains why it's become a cornerstone of countless job site toolkits. Ready to upgrade your workday soundtrack and power options? The DEWALT DCR028B is trusted by tradespeople, DIYers, and outdoor crews for its durability, sound quality, and versatility. Click now to explore battery compatibility tricks and USB charging hacks that maximize your setup. Don't wait. Equip your toolbox with a radio that delivers uncompromised volume, convenience, and job site toughness, keeping your team motivated and devices powered throughout even the longest projects.